Hey there folks, welcome back to the LightX AI series. In this video, we're going to show you how to create stunning product photos on LightX with AI. If you're a product photographer or a small business owner aiming to enhance your product visuals, this tool is a game changer for your product photos. You can now easily create your own backgrounds or choose pre-made backdrops and generate high quality product photos with AI. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up the AI product Photoshoot tool. You can find it right here on your LightX app. Just give it a click. Once you're in, just hit the upload button and select the image you want to enhance. So I'm just using a dummy photo here. Now here's the cool part. You've got options. If you're not set on anything particular, you can simply choose from our pre-made themes. You've got a variety of options like the soothing nature theme, serene landscapes, and gorgeous waterfall backdrops, to name just a few. For those flat lay product photos where your items are laid out, you can use various textures and surfaces. And if your products are standing tall, you've got options to use countertops or podiums. But if you're feeling creative and want your product background to match your brand's vibe or product's theme, you can describe your own custom background. So here, for example, I'm writing add lots of mint leaves, hit generate, and watch as the AI creates stunning product photos with a new background. It's looking awesome, right? Now simply click on the download button and save image in high resolution. And here you have it. Your product photos are ready for use on your websites, in marketing materials, or wherever you need them. Create stunning product photos with the AI product Photoshoot tool. It's as easy as that. So give it a try and see how your product images transform effortlessly. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next AI tutorial.